Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using the L'Oreal Superior Preference in the shade Black Sapphire 2BL. And this is what it looks like. It doesn't look super blue on the box. It just kind of looks like a jet black. It doesn't really look like it has much blue in it. I can kind of see a little bit of a tint to it, but we'll get into that in a few minutes. Surprisingly, I have never used the L'Oreal Preference hair color ever. So when I was given this as a recommendation to try, this was actually the only color I could find because the one recommendation had like different numbers and letters and stuff in it. So I don't think it was like for the US, but this was like the only one that I could find here in the US. So I'm hoping that the color that was recommended was a blue black. So that's what I went with, just because I couldn't find that exact color when I searched it up. So this was like the closest thing that I could find, and I'm really hoping that this is what the recommendation was. But since I've never used this before, I decided I'll just get the color I normally would use since I couldn't find that specific color. I'm hoping that it was a blue black, but I couldn't find anything with those specific letters or numbers. Anyways, so let's jump in. So this is a liquid color, and you're gonna need to mix it in the bottle. If you use like a brush and bowl like I do, mixing it in the bowl is gonna get messy. I mean, liquid colors are messy enough as it is because they're just so liquid, obviously. But like when you go to put it on your hair, it's just like 10 times messier. But mixing it, it's a lot easier if you mix it in the bottle and then just pour it into the bowl. Now, with this color, L'Oreal always gives my head some really bad irritation. So, knowing that L'Oreal does that, I added the ion-sensitive scalp oil into it, and I was shocked that this color did not irritate my scalp whatsoever. Now, was it because I put the ion-sensitive scalp into it? I have no idea, but I was literally shocked and in so much surprise that like this color did not irritate me once. There was no itching at all. I started to itch a little bit in the back of my head, but it could have just been like a normal itch, but it wasn't something that was like, oh my god, I really gotta itch my hair. It's like insane, like normal. So I'm thinking that either it didn't have it, whatever the L'Oreal Feria colors have in it. It might not have whatever chemical in that that would irritate me, or the ion sensitive scalp helped protect my head from it. I don't really know, but it worked. I had no sensitivity whatsoever. This color is very strong. It has like an overly powerful scent of fake cherries, and it's not like Ion's hair color where like Ion I feel like has like a cherry scent in either their developer or their color, but it's a very light cherry scent, but it's more natural. This is very fake and very perfumey, and I needed ventilation for this. Like I probably wouldn't have used a fan if my husband didn't just take a shower and had the fan running anyways. I probably wouldn't have, but since the fan was already on, I used it, which kind of helped a lot because it is so strong. My eyes started watering a little bit once I got closer to my roots, and when I started doing my hair and, you know, getting closer to my eyes, they started burning. But once my hair was like done and finally put up, like that went away. But it the fake cherry smell does not leave your hair. My hair smells so disgusting. I just don't like the smell of it, and it's just so strong that it doesn't even smell like my shampoo or anything. This color has toluene in it. Like I said, I have not figured out what irritates me, if it's PPD or if it's toluene at all. I haven't figured that out yet, because certain colors that have PPD in it can bother me, and some colors or brands that have PPD in it don't bother me, and then some that have toluene bother me. I don't know. Haven't figured it out. But anyways, it was super blue when I was putting the color on, but I only see like a tiny bit of blue. Not much of a crazy tint. Like, it looks jet black. You can kind of see a blue tint in different lighting, but it's nothing crazy. It's nothing to be like shocked about, like, ooh, crazy shocking blue. It's nothing like that. It just is a little tint here and there. I did take some pictures in some natural lighting over by the window. It's kind of like a bright snowy day, so you could kind of see the blue in that natural lighting. You can sort of see it with my vanity lights, but it's nothing crazy. Like, it's not picking it up a lot, and I haven't seen it when I was like brushing my hair or blow drying it. So I mean, I'll see it a little bit on my roots, but that's about it. Like, I'll just notice a blue tint around here, and it does stain your skin a little bit. My ear is kind of stained. I don't know why it's stained there, because I didn't get any color on it, but I don't really see that much of a blue, but it is a really pretty color. It's really super dark. It is gray coverage. It doesn't say how much gray coverage there is. It just says that on more than 50% gray, your results will look slightly lighter than the results shown. And if you do it on red hair, the results will be more of an intense blue-black. But that's about it. It doesn't really say if it's 100% gray coverage or 50%. It just says it has gray coverage. So we'll see. My hair felt a little dry when washing it out. When I started washing it with the shampoo, I was like, oh, my hair feels so disgusting. But as soon as I put some conditioner in it, it was good. And blow drying it, my hair feels so soft and smooth. It's so sleek. The only thing I don't like about it is the smell. I'll probably spray some hair perfume in it. But yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about this, because usually with L'Oreal, it irritates me so much that I'm just like, yep, I'll never use that again. But this is the first time I've ever used L'Oreal Preference, and I haven't had an issue with it at all. So I'm shocked. I'm literally shocked. Let's hope that it lasts in my hair, because L'Oreal Feria does not last in my hair whatsoever. It lasts probably 2 washes, and that's like the first wash of washing the color out, and then washing it for like the first time after coloring it, it's gone. So we'll see how long it'll last. It says it lasts up to 8 weeks. That's a long time. So we'll see. I mean, that's like 2 months, like almost 2.5 months. So we'll see how long that lasts. I mean, my hair grows pretty fast, where like I start seeing gray and whites pretty quickly. So we'll see how long this lasts, and we'll see if like it starts fading into like a dark brown, or if it just stays jet black until I need to color it again. We'll see. But yeah, they're promising 8 beautiful weeks. So we'll see. Anyways, I have nothing bad to say about this color. It's great. It looks great. My hair feels amazing. It did scare me in the beginning when I went to wash it, and I was just like, I can't get my fingers through my hair. Like, it feels so dry and disgusting. Like, ugh. But then I threw some conditioner in, and it was fine. It was golden. Yeah. So we'll see how it lasts. Anyways, so I think I'm pretty much almost out of colors to try in the US. But if there's anything that I've missed that like I can get my hands on in the US, let me know in the comments below. And I'm only gonna do blacks or blue blacks. I don't want anything crazy, like I don't want to do like fire engine red or like hot pink or purples or stuff like that. I just want to stick with blacks and blue blacks, no blondes or anything. I've ordered some colors that I finally was able to find that were recommendations like from over the summer. Like I just ordered the Schwarzkopf got to be in smoky black, I think. It was a recommendation and I could not find it anywhere. I finally was able to find it on walmart.com, ordered it, so that should get here soon. I ordered a couple more recommendations that I had to find on eBay because they're colors from the UK. So I just ordered the Schwarzkopf Live in Cosmic Blue, and I did order another one. It was like Schwarzkopf Perfect Mousse in I think it's only black because I couldn't find a blue black, and that one was coming from Bulgaria. So I'm trying to find the ones that are in the UK that aren't like crazy expensive and that offer like free shipping, because when you're paying like almost $20 a box plus $15 shipping, that's kind of outrageous, and I need 2 boxes. So so far I was able to find both of these colors on eBay and shipping was free. So I paid about $30 for both boxes. Both colors, not like $30 a box, because if it was like that, I wouldn't do it. But I'm trying. So whatever recommendations you have for me, throw them my way in the comments below, and I will do my best to get what I can find. And yeah, I mean, these colors are what I could find and what was offered, and I literally searched Amazon and Target and Walmart and eBay, and whatever I can find, that's what I try to go for. And I hope that I get either the closest color or the exact color that you guys recommend. So yeah, I'm definitely willing to try whatever. There's a couple new ones that I got from Sally's that just popped up. So I have a couple new ones from Sally's. I think I have like 3, and then we can just start doing our own little mixologies and stuff after that. So sorry, I'm just rambling, but like I'm just kind of letting you know that I'm trying to get the ones that I can find for the UK, because I do get a lot of recommendations for that, and I do have a lot of them saved on my phone so that like I can find them, and if I don't find them now, I do keep searching to see if I can find them later. So like the one that was recommended, that was like the got to be one, someone told me that it was from Dollar General, and I couldn't find it anywhere, and I finally found it on walmart.com. So we'll see how that goes, and hopefully I get that soon. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you want me to try, and I will definitely do my best to find it and get it and try it out for you. Oh, I did just start a Instagram for all my blue black hair people or followers or subscribers or whatever I want to say. It's not like the world's greatest, because I just kind of threw up like everything from what I've always done, like all the colors that I've done. I just kind of like threw it all up there, so it'll just show like a picture of the color and like a quick description or whatever. But it's not like yay great. it's a startup. But I keep getting asked if I have an Instagram for it, and I'm just like, I don't. I have one, but mine's private for myself and my family and friends. But I don't have one that's kind of goes with my YouTube channel. So now I do, and it's kind of like blah, but it'll get there, it'll get better. I do post like results of the hair color. So like in a couple days, if it's still going strong, like I will post what it looks like a few days later or after a few washes. If it's still going strong, what my thoughts are. Even hair products, like I just bought this Eva New York like hair perfume, and it smells amazing. Like I'll just post stuff like that I like for my hair, or things that I've been trying that I like, and stuff that works for me. So it's kind of more like my go-to black hairs, dyes, and everything that I try. I will post like stuff. Yeah. So sorry, I'm just kind of rambling, but I get questions a lot if there's an Instagram, and I do have one. I made it a few weeks ago, and I think a few months ago, and I keep forgetting to like mention it on my channel. So yeah, if any of my lovely subscribers wanna follow along and see what the hair color looks like later on, or like a couple weeks later, if it bleeds, if it's just not working out, like I will mention all that stuff about it. But so far I haven't had any bad ones that I've like said like, oh yeah, it's not doing that great. So yeah, I'll stop rambling, but if you want to check that out, it's Nina_Gilhousen. So it's just my name. So yeah, you could just follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.